Huge burden of expectations on the New Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal there. Moving on in the bulletin, with both Rahul and Sonia Gandhi forcing the Maharashtra Chief Minister's hand on the Adarsh report, the big cover-up looks to be unravelled. If Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan does accept the Adarsh Committee report, it could mean opening up Pandora's box for most political parties in the state. Headlines today has learned that an action taken report is already to be filed. That could mean bad news for bureaucrats and politicians alike. The opposition in the state is demanding an emergency session to discuss the Adarsh report. And if that happens, it could well mean that the coalition government in the state could have a lot of firefighting in the days to come. For more on this, we are now joined by our correspondents Amrita from Mumbai and also Jugal Purohit in Delhi. Let me first go across to Amrita. What is now the stand of the Chief Minister's office? They are under pressure by the High Command to actually go against the Adarsh report.
Yes, I can. See, this is the difficult situation in front of CM Prithviraj Chavan because Rahul Gandhi said that he is not happy with the report which has made by the Adarsh Commission, and he warned that and he said that the Cabinet of State should review of this report. And now, so see Prithviraj Chavan, the CM of Maharashtra, will give the report for the review in front of the Cabinet. But yes, opposition parties are all ready to set them on fire because it seems that because opposition has also asked for the emergency legislative session, and if it comes out, then opposition parties have also asked for the list of all the members of Adarsh which are involved in this scam. Yeah. In the morning also we have spoken with the members of the Adarsh society. They have said that we are innocent, and if if the government is ready to review the report, we are also ready for that. But on the other hand,
let me just go across to Jugal Purohit in Delhi. Jugal, the politics on this matter is already on. The BJP taking on the Congress, Yashwant Singh Sinha there, saying that it appears to be a well thought out strategy so that Rahul Gandhi could come out as the knight in shining armor. What are you hearing? Are we going to look at this being taken at the politics in Delhi also?
Well, Ankit, at the heart of the entire issue is Congress's dwindling political fortune. And remember that 6 months after the general election is when Maharashtra also goes for election. There is anti-incumbency, and given the fact that Ashok Chavan was ousted, he in a sense enjoys a mass base which Prithviraj Chavan doesn't. And in this entire effort of the Congress party to reject the Adarsh Commission report, it has only been towards ensuring that they can reinstate a mass leader, which Ashok Chavan is, and unfortunately Prithviraj Chavan does not enjoy that image. Right. Now, in trying to protect Ashok Chavan and get him to, once again command the Congress's campaign, this blunder has happened, and Rahul Gandhi's public admonishing of the Maharashtra government does not, of course, bode well for the Congress party's fortune. Ankit?
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Jugal and Amrita, joining us on that story as far as the Adarsh political controversy.